Welcome to another video. So regarding CATIA V5 and the use within the AEC industry, so within the architecture, engineering and construction field, we see that CATIA V5 is used over here, even though the main industry sectors for computer-aided design, mainly for CATIA, are aerospace, automotive and shipbuilding. So these are the, let's say, the major one. CATIA V5 is also used within the structural engineering field. So along with other general software such as Revit, ArchiCAD, so usually they are the BYM software solutions. So building information modeling software. These are mainly used, but there are some case studies where CATIA V5 has been also used. So we see that Duke is currently investing a lot of time learning CATIA V5, and if there are any word of advice. So regarding this, mainly when I was a student, so around 2008, there were also these, let's say, details regarding CATIA V5 being used within the AEC field. So we see over here that the National Stadium, also known as the Bird's Nest, was also designed with CATIA V5. So not only everything was within CATIA V5, mostly the, let's say, the integrate details of the stadium over here, which were after used for the construction and planning and documentation. And this is one of the references, and I also searched some elements online, and we see over here that wireframe. The references are not that many, but there are some reference for this, as we can see over here. Also within the SAL system, if you're gonna go up to industries, you're gonna see that there's also the architecture, engineering and construction field listed over here. Even though this is not the main purpose of CATIA V5, and we're gonna see that for CATIA, mainly for CATIA V5, the reference regarding this are quite few. So if you're gonna go on YouTube and search for that, we're gonna see that there is this channel, so CATIA AEC, and it includes different videos regarding this. So we see, for example, 6 months ago, what's new within release 2023 for civil engineering, grids, volume and rebars. But these are mostly elements that are usually predominantly available within specified tools for this. So usually building information modeling software, and the most popular in this case is Revit and ArchiCAD. So since you are investing a lot of time in learning CATIA V5 to work within this industry, it is a little bit harder since there are so few references, as we can see even directly on YouTube. There are almost none for CATIA V5. 3D Experience, on the other hand, has some case studies and some information, but even these are quite limited compared to the other specialized software. So let's see also other projects that made use of CATIA V5, and we see over here that the Burj Khalifa also had some elements created within CATIA V5, as we can see, mainly for, let's say, to perform the structural analysis in this case. There is also a viaduct in France. We see over here a museum, so mainly all the elements have been designed, as we can see, by French architectural firms over here. So we see this for the the museum within United Arab Emirates. Over here this was some architects, so I'm not sure exactly where this company is located. And there's also the Mercedes-Benz Stadium in Atlanta, Georgia. As we can see over here, had some elements done within CATIA. And there's also an airport in China, so the Beijing International Airport. I also went over here to ChatGPT to see if I would obtain some other details regarding this. As we can see, for the Bird's Nest Stadium over here, so we see that that was created, but keep in mind that this wasn't the only 3D solution, since this is not mainly specialized for this field. It's mostly intended for mechanical engineering and surface design, and those are the strong key elements of CATIA V5. Yeah, so mainly these are my advice regarding this. I'm really curious, how are you proceeding with this? How do you learn CATIA V5 in order to apply it to your industry? Since it's quite harder. For mechanical engineering, you can go on YouTube and there are so many, let's say, good references to get started. But for this, I feel like CATIA is not the optimal solution. It can be used if you have some, let's say, free-form elements that are maybe harder to generate in other programs. But mainly with CATIA V5 it's harder. Within 3D Experience, I saw that there are some workbenches that are specially designed for this, and maybe things are a little bit different over there. But I also feel like that is such a small niche within this field that there are so few references and so few videos that are not quite popular, so that also maybe explains why CATIA V5 is not the best solution if you want to address this. So we see how little views these have. Okay, so I hope that you find this video useful. I'm also looking for other comments from within the other fields, and I will also address those within similar videos. I will add this discussion, so we have over here this public playlist. It's called 3D Comparison CAD Discussions, and mostly videos like this will be posted over there. Okay, so I hope that you find this video useful. If so, let me know in the comment section. So, thanks for watching.